going to look at some string lights by Sunthin. So these Sunthin string lights come in a 2-pack. We're going to open the box. Each of these is 48 feet in length. So the total length is 96 feet. Each strand has 15 sockets and the strings connect end to end. You can connect up to 5 strings end to end. That is a lot of light. So these are commercial lighting, indoor, outdoor, so you can light up your home or you can light up the outside. There are 15 incandescent bulbs that are 11 watts each, and they can be switched out with any standard bulb that uses an E26 socket. So they look like this. These are commercial grade, like I said, with heavy duty wire. So they are waterproof. As you can see, it is very thick, very sturdy. You know nothing's going to break easily, and it will all be fine. You can hang them in a variety of ways with string ties, hooks, or nails, or by running a steel sling through the lights. Now, each bulb set does come with a few extra bulbs just in case one breaks or it goes out. So you do have extras just in case you don't want to switch out with a standard bulb. Alright, so we're going to show you what this looks like when we hang it up and in the nighttime.
Here, Ervin. You're doing a really good job putting those lights up. So, oh man, you're making progress. I bet those are gonna look pretty nice.
So we're only going to use one of the strands on our deck because it fits perfectly well, but how to connect another one is simply take off the cover and connect.
Oh, it looks like these are all hung up. Man, that's really cool.
Alright, so everything is installed. Right now it's the afternoon, so we're going to check back later in the evening to see what it looks like at night. It's twilight now, so the lights have come on. It's not quite dark enough to see what they look like at nighttime yet, but as you can see, right now this is what they look like. So we have these on a timer. It makes it so much easier for when these lights come on. We don't have to fool around with when we want them on, but we turned it on to dusk and here we are now. These are very, very pretty lights.
So as you can tell, it is dark outside, so we can see the lights very well. They add a nice ambient lighting to our outside patio. So this is all we have for the Sunthin string lights. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.